today we'll talk about how can you disable fitness programs notifications on your Samsung Edge app. We're going to figure out the solution and know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on my page down here. So when you click here on my page, it's going to take us to this list, and all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it here. Then it's going to show for us a list like this, and you click here on settings. So then it's going to take us here in this list, then you click on notifications, and you come to this list here, you go down, then you come here to fitness programs, you just click in this sign or this color, that like you see color, it's gone, that's mean fitness programs disable for notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.